Hi guys, welcome back. Happy Easter. I know today is Sunday and I usually don't post on Sundays, but today's video is in collaboration with my beautiful friend Rabia Nunes. Yes, this is our third collaboration, and actually this collaboration is inspired by spring, by Easter, so I wanted to do something very colorful and, I don't know, ready for spring, I guess. And actually I'm Orthodox, so I'm going to celebrate Easter next week, but I still wanted to do this collaboration and this video for you guys. So I really like this colorful wing liner. It's super easy to achieve. You'll see in the video. This video is going to be very short, unless I have 5 minutes of bloopers, I guess. I don't think so. But yeah, it's very easy to do, very easy to achieve, and I really like it. So before we jump into this video, I'm going to link Rabia's video right here, also down below. Take a look, subscribe if you want to, and yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this colorful makeup look, then please keep watching. As my transition color, I'm going to apply caramel from the Latte palette, and then I'm going with my Sleek palette and I'm going to apply lotus flower all over my lids. Next, I'm taking my NYX Jumbo pencil and I'm going to create a winged liner, a white winged liner. I'm going again with my Sleek palette and I'm picking the color Purple Haze, and I'm going to apply this shade right on the tail of my wing. From my BH Cosmetics second edition palette, I'm picking this blue color, and basically I'm going to create a rainbow winged liner. So I'm going to apply a little bit of pink, a little bit of orange, some yellow, and I make sure I blend very well in between those colors to achieve that nice transition. Then I'm going over those colors again because I kind of lost some pigment while blending them. And next I'm going to line my lash line, but I'm going to create a very thin winged liner. I mean, not wing liner, because I'm not going to do a wing liner. I'm going to line my lash line. On my bottom lash line, I'm going to apply this gorgeous green, shimmery green shade. This is called Green Iguana and it's from my Sleek palette. And to buff those edges, I'm going to go again with caramel from the Latte palette. To highlight my brow bone and my inner corners, I'm going to apply macchiato, and also I use this as my face highlight. To finish this makeup look, I'm going to apply a lip gloss. This is in the shade Strawberry Parfait, and there you have it, a very colorful wing liner ready for springtime. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check Rabia's channel as well. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah! Happy Easter again. Hi guys, welcome back.